The Zebra Veterans Association has declared its support for fellow Zanhlago veteran Blessed Geza Sikho for good governance and change of government given the alarming levels of corruption, poverty, economic challenges, and the lack of development under the current administration. Sanabana mashkwatuna kuti aiwa vakomana vezipra were in support our comrade Bombshow pamwa ino wa subscribe oleko on the bele kuti pina pana pam news day mudanyira chiti. The association also condemned Geza's victimization and dismissal from ZANU-PF as violation of the party's constitution and the principles which inspired them to fight for the liberation of the country. In an interview with the Southern Eye, the association's deputy spokesperson Joachim Moyo also condemned the arrest and detention of Alpha Media Holding senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga. Geza's expulsion is a fraud, with undue processes exposing how precarious government and governance are in Zimbabwe. Moyo said Mhlanga's arrest was yet another megaphone warning everyone of an impending danger. In quotes, ZANU-PF has become a danger to itself and a toxic liability to Zimbabwe. That the war was won. We need to save ourselves as a country, including those in ZANU-PF, from pending extinction, he said. Let everyone know that Zebra veterans in their contest and non-partisan stance in pursuit of a just state firmly stand behind the plan, truth, and Geza articulated, he said. Yes, some of us may dither, but our cause remains an unfulfilled people's chosen path. Thomas Wambula toka panapa nokomana aiwa vezibra panapa cha in support au ya comrade Bombshow vachiti aiwa panapa tuda kuti aiwa tikole a spade panapa tichiuya panapa tiona kuti aiwa vanhu vari attributed kuna Geza vakaita sana HSTV journalist nepanguva ino nekuexpelewa kwakaitwa aiwa Geza from the ruling party vari kuona kuti unlawful vachiti according to the constitution the ruling party kanti ZANU-PF aiwa zviri against the law. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu kudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.